Okay, so first off, I want to say hello and thanks for taking the time to watch this video here, Mr. Nick. You definitely gave me a call back after you missed my call earlier, so we had a couple of laughs. Again, my name is Jeff and my company is Belanger Solutions. And the point of the video is to show you how you can increase the value of your company and generate some more exposure on Google. So, as you pointed out earlier in our conversation, your website might be lacking just a little bit, and you weren't quite sure maybe what that was. So I was going to kind of go over this and cover it a little bit with you. This is your website here pulled up, a couple of reviews, not really a whole lot of content as far as what you're doing or what maybe services you're offering. So, with that being said, content, backlinks, and citations are important ranking factors when it comes to getting your website exposed and generating more exposure with Google. So as a general contractor, we'll start here with some of the basics. General contractor Raleigh is what I typed in. And you want to keep in mind anything that's typed in here or whatever words are being typed into this Google search bar, these are considered keywords. And Google is looking for websites that best fit the search criteria, search engine optimization or SEO. Google crawls millions of websites daily looking for content that's relevant to the keywords or the phrase that's being typed in here, and then categorizes those websites based on that content. This is how you establish rank. You typically want 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your site, depending on your competition and the number of keywords. So a little bit more, we have ads here, of course. We have the map area, the map pack. Ranking here in the map section is relevant to your Google business profile, the area of coverage that you want, and citations. Citations are anything that's name, address, and phone number that reflects your Google business profile. Along with some reviews, we're making sure that you have some pictures that pop up where you can tie in keywords and content into the pictures, and that generates more power as well. Underneath the map is where the organic rank starts to take place. So if you ask yourself, well, I got a website, I don't understand, I'm not getting a lot of traffic, let's explain this a little bit better. So this house here, that's an advertisement, the Angie's an advertisement, BB's an advertisement, Yelp advertisement, Home Advisor advertisement, Chamber of Commerce, General. All of these being here, if your company is within this, anybody who typed in general contractor looking for a service and they come in here, and if your business is listed in here, that's great. But your lead, you're sharing your lead. You're getting diluted with everybody else that's underneath this. So they come in here and they say, oh, I want a general contractor, and they open up Angie, and now they've got 10 of them to choose from. Oh, so you're sharing your lead. Where if you have a website that is yours, and organically ranked here, when they click on this, it's pretty much buyer intent, and they are only on your page. They're not distracted with advertising with others. So I chose this blue ribbon here. I have a couple examples. The blue ribbon is number 8. So let's take a look at you. And I have a tool that I use. It's called Ahrefs. And Ahrefs gives me a behind the scenes on what's going on with websites and businesses and how they rank. And I did mention that backlinks and content is a key factor in the rank structure. A backlink is where one website links to another. It's like an endorsement of your website from another website. And Google uses that to build trust in the business as in you're an authority of what you're doing or what you're offering for service, and it creates popularity. You want to keep in mind that not all backlinks are created equal. So you wouldn't want maybe a landscaping company or somebody else or Pizza Hut linking back to you. It's not going to carry as much weight as another general contractor or maybe a painting business linking back to you through their website. And you want to make sure that you have backlinks that have strong domain rank and traffic. So of the 5, I only see 3-ish, and this one isn't pulling any weight. That also being said, looks like you have 3 referring domains, other websites connected to you. You have 3 keywords, and that might be generating 2 views a month. So let's take a look at your competitor, which was the blue ribbon guy here on the first page at number 8. This is his website, and plugging him into the same tool, I have here, I can see he has 848 backlinks, 378 keywords, generating 275 views a month, views a month, I'm sorry, ballpark. Understand how that works. The keyword gets typed in, whatever somebody's typing in Google is a keyword, and then of course the volume that it gets searched per month. So aside from the fact that it's blue ribbon, North Carolina remodeling contractor, 200 times a month. Home remodeling, Raleigh, North Carolina, 150. Construction reviews, North Carolina home remodeling, 100. Raleigh, North Carolina general contractors, 600. Contractors, Raleigh, 250. General contractor, 200. Kitchen remodeling, Raleigh, 400. Raleigh is big on kitchen remodel. I have noticed that. So you're starting to get the idea here. When you add all this up collectively, that creates a lot of potential exposure to your site for what services people are looking for. So it's extremely important to have the right content and the keywords in your website so that you are found when people are searching for you. Again, search engine optimization. Google is searching for websites that have the content and the keywords in them. Just to take it just a hair further, I just decided to do home remodeling Apex, give you another example, because you do remodeling and refurbishing. Ads, a couple of ads here. So this guy here, number 2, he's right here on number 2. So depending on your location, Apex, Raleigh, Durham, Chapel Hill, and the keywords and the content that are in your site will determine how you're exposed when it comes to the search engine optimization. So we have him here. He's right there at number 2. This is his website. Got some content right here on the first page. Okay, got some pictures. Aside from that, if we jump into the same tool, he has 200 backlinks, 68 referring domains coming to him, and 285 keywords generating 66 views and traffic. So this example I wanted to show you is it doesn't necessarily have to be really in depth. You just have to have exactly what somebody's looking for to generate traffic. So that right there, this alone has him on the first page with the keywords that he has in there. And you can have these keywords as well. It all depends on what kind of search area you're looking for. So it would come down to keywords for Raleigh or keywords for Cary or whatever people are searching for. And then you incorporate that within your content of your website, because you generally want 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your site, depending on your competition and the number of keywords that are needed. The site looks great. The pictures are good. I like the colors, the contrast. You just literally don't have any content in it at all. Just calling it how I see it. So I just wanted to explain that a little bit to you. Maybe have a better understanding of how this works and how the value and how the ranking structure comes together. Content, backlink, citations, Google Business Profile, area of coverage, and to make sure that you are optimizing yourself to be seen when people are typing into Google for the search engine. That's what it really boils down to. And that's how companies maintain rank and get themselves on the first page of Google and move up the rank structure and expose and create more value with the business. Hope that was helpful. I appreciate you taking the time to watch the video. It ran a little bit longer than I wanted to, but I want to give you a couple different examples. So if you had any questions or concerns or you want to talk, I'd be more than happy to work with you. I appreciate your time and have a good night.